Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to deal with these. This is a bare-rooted fruit tree. It's a plum in particular, a red plum. It's a Mariposa, or I've got Mariposas, Santa Rosas and Satsumas today, so I've taken the tags off, so I might not be telling the truth about which one it is, but it's a plum nonetheless. Now you can see it's got nice open habit at the top. And of course, bare-rooted. So this is how you're going to get it, bare-rooted. The main thing with bare-rooted trees, when you're going to plant bare-rooted trees, is make sure that the area is prepped and ready to go. The hole's dug, the soil's nice and loose. You've had a little bit of manure or fertilizer if you use it, and it's all prepped, ready. So when you come home with this, you can put it straight in there. So it's not sitting around, the root system isn't drying out. You can go bang straight into the ground. Alright, now I'm going to just go ahead and plant this, and then I'll talk a little bit about it. Kind of want to let the actions do the talking, so to speak, rather than me kind of going through it all. Alright, so I've got my hole ready to go, and I've got my bare-rooted tree. Actually, I'll prune it first. So, I've got a nice habit from here. Now this is a nice open vase shape. All I'm going to do is prune it to an outward facing bud. What I'm going to do too, take off the smaller ones. These two little ones probably won't amount to much, so I'll take those off. Now all of these, I'll just find an outward facing bud and take it back by about up to 2/3, thereabouts. It's more of a thing that after you've done it a few times you pick it up, I think anyway. Okay. Now there's the little bud there. Just come up a bit, say about 10 mil, alright? Don't go right to the bud itself. And on a little bit of an angle too. Exactly the same as pruning roses. Right. Okay, so that's what we've got left. Alright. Now it's literally, hang on a sec. There's another point. Still got a little bit of tag on there. So, without damaging the tree, just take that bit off as well. Alright, so we've got our hole. Now it's literally just digging a hole and putting it in theory. Alright. Now the whole area is nice and loose. So I'll just dig out the size of the root ball itself. This is the graft union. You don't want to plant over that, okay? So just to there, alright? Now, when you're putting it in, make sure the positioning of it, the sunlight, etc., that it's going to be in the right spot. So you could have it like this, like that, okay? Now that's fine for what I want. Now, that's all fine. Make sure all the roots, there's no bunching up of roots, they're not twisting around or curling. They need to just nice flow out. All I'm going to do is turn that in. Nice and easy. Make sure it's straight, and then just lightly press down. A little bit more over the top just for the indentation. Oops. That's a bit of an angle, so you can just move it across and push down a little bit more. That's it. Now from this point onwards, all we'll do is water it in, put a little bit of mulch around the top, and that's it. If you fertilise, you can fertilise it. If you wanted to give it something to reduce the transplant shock of being dug up and reburied, you could give it a light feed, a light dilution of seaweed or something like plant starter, something that's designed to reduce plant shock. But that's it. I don't like to make things a big deal, not when they're just simple like this. That's all you need to do. Do what I've done and you'll be fine. Alright, any questions, give me a yell. Thanks for watching, guys.